Here's a Studio City property. Asking price is 1.3. They were on the market for 172 days before the seller said, no more. I can't take it. I'm pulling it off the market. So this property actually never sold. So I'd like to go into these, see why it didn't sell. I'm looking at the pictures and I come across this one in particular where the picture in the corner has one of those timestamps and it says 9/13/2012. It's 2018 and they're using a picture from 2012. And they're not hiding it. This is their public pictures. This is their marketing. So they're showing everybody that they're using pictures from 2012. What happened between 2012 and 2018 that they can't use updated pictures? See, this is the kind of stuff that goes through the buyer's minds when they see huge mistakes like this. And it needs to be corrected. So if you're the home seller, once your agent tells you the pictures are done, you tell them, hey, let me see them. I want to see what you got. You go through all the pictures and you look for little mistakes like this. This is the biggest thing you own and you're trying to sell it. Do the right thing, review everything, and make sure that the pictures look top notch.